Are you a nurse and you plan to relocate to Canada? Guys, there is good news. The city in Canada, the city of Alberta, they are seeking for internationally educated nurses to join Alberta Health Services. So guys, in this video, we'll look at the requirements and the process of applying for this job in Alberta, Canada. So guys, come along, let's apply together. Before then, guys, you have to make out 30 to 40 minutes of your time if you want to apply for this program, because once it's open you can't close. You have to finish the application in one sitting. So guys, basically you just open your web browser, whichever one you use. Okay, I use Chrome. This is my Chrome. If you open it, in the search you type Alberta Health Recruitment, Alberta Health Recruitment. It will open. Okay, you see this second one, Alberta Health Services, with a logo of like a cross, green and blue. I'll just click on that one first. That's the one I choose. If you click on it, this page will come out. You just scroll down a bit, then you see where they wrote hiring initiative. Okay, this is it, hiring initiative. You see the option for rural health workers, you see option for internationally educated nurses, ICU and emergency nurses, addiction and mental health. They have variety of people that are in the health sector. There are other ones, okay, but we are focusing on internationally educated nurses. So you just click on it, another page will open, international applicants. Can you see it, guys? Applying as an international applicant. Let me just read a bit. It says Alberta Health Services welcomes international healthcare professionals to apply. So guys, you can see it. Live, work and play in our scenic province that offers one of the lowest costs of living in Canada and the most sunshine per year. Then okay, how do you apply? Scroll down a bit. So are you interested in working as a registered nurse in Alberta? Join our nursing talent network. You click on it, join our nursing talent network. When you click on it, another page will also pop out. This is where you fill. Then look at, just read this place. It says AHS International Nurse Recruitment Initiative. We are seeking passionate and experienced internationally educated nurses with a nursing bachelor's degree for current and future nursing positions across the province. Before you start applying, be prepared to spend about 30 to 45 minutes completing this application in one sitting. Ensure you have all your information, blah blah blah. Then we'll go down. You must complete this application in one sitting. So guys, like I said, you can't exit the page. You have to finish everything at one sitting. So before you start your application, make sure you have all your information handy. Okay, going on, guys. This is how you click on it. This is what will come out. They're asking a question. Are you currently employed or have you previously been employed by Alberta Health Service, AHS? Then an option will come out. You click on it. You said, I have never been employed by AHS. That's the one you click. You click on it. If you click on it, another page will pop out. After clicking on it, you see a drop down. When you click on it, you see the one you write this one. I require a work permit. Okay, labor market impact assessment. When you click on it, you scroll down. This is where you put your name and the profession. Are you a registered nurse, a psychiatric nurse, what kind of thing? Okay, you put it, your last name and the rest. This is where your profession so far. Okay, your education. This is the place you put. Then you fill this part, confirm your email address, and then you continue. And it doesn't really take much time. Then they ask, what is your current employment position, your last occupation, or where you're currently working. You see a part where you fill all those details. So guys, this is basically how it's done. Please, I think at this point is self-explanatory. You can continue to apply. So I'll just be ending the video here. In case you're applying and you run into any difficulty in completing or applying for this, okay, please do let me know. You will see my email address there. You can also leave a comment for me and I'll get back to you and we can see how we can help you to apply for this great opportunity. Please do help me to share this to anyone that is a nurse, a registered international nurse, an educated international nurse anywhere. Okay, this could be of great help to those that really want to migrate to Canada. Thank you.